Hey you guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful channel. Now obviously I like using these outrageous titles because I know it gets people's attention, but I also know about slut shaming, and that's what I'm trying to make a point here, that slut shaming is just the way of the world sometimes, especially in America. But knowing that, I titled this Hoes Need Love Too. I don't consider myself these terms, but I claim them because I understand how women are degraded with them. So with that being said, what I mean when I say hoes need love too is that I think it's barbaric that people bestow these names on people and all of a sudden they aren't considered human beings. People take the label so far as to impose hate crimes on people, to use excuses to be shitty people, basically, to people who carry these labels, and it's just unfair and really cruel. And so with that being said, we have to understand that regardless of labels, that we are all human beings, and we deserve to be respected regardless of our skin color, our sexuality, our race, all of that. But some people, they grasp some of those but not all of those, which is again crazy to me. But when it comes to women, we have to understand that all women are worthy of respect, not just the modest ones. Strippers, sex workers, the women who like to show skin, they all have feelings too. And we have grown up into a country of patriarchy that has made it normal to treat women as second-class citizens, and to treat women disrespectfully. So now you have men and women who are part of this patriarchy that thinks it's okay to degrade and demean women. A bunch of weak men and weak women who think it's just cool, which is really not. So one of the ways you can understand a real man or real woman is the men who allow their girlfriends to do what they want with their bodies because they understand that they're not property. And the women who allow other women to dress as they want, and vice versa. Everyone can do what the fuck they want, but until we get into that mindset, we'll always be in this medieval viewpoint of reality. Yeah, hoes need love too because they do. We're human. All of us are human. And I stand up for the people who are the underdogs, who are the most unprotected. But yeah, that's my little input on that. Be dope, be unapologetically. Peace.